Hello everyone, today we will be looking at a watch, the Casio Edifice EQS930HR. Not the usual thing we talk about in this channel. This particular watch is a limited edition Casio Honda collaboration piece. Not just that, the inspiration came from a particular motorcycle, the RC-162. This motorcycle has an incredible story and a launchpad for legacy of two amazing individuals. So yes, this watch is a commemorative link to that heritage. Let me first get the unboxing out of the way. This particular unit that I have came with a packet containing a Casio sticker, warranty card, and this Honda greeting card. The man was wearing a Honda t-shirt and a Casio watch. Can't tell how old this picture is or who this man is or how it is all related. If anyone knows about this photo, please do let me know. Now, when we open the box, there is the usual warranty info and user guide, a paper plaque that tells us about the Honda Racing Limited Edition. Note the number 100 on the bike, an important detail. It connects to that story I was talking about. Further in the box, there is the tin container. There is an uncanny resemblance to an oil filter. And inside the tin, the watch is safely nestled in foam. The little tag says the watch is solar powered, has stopwatch, is 100-meter water resistant, and the case is made of stainless steel. The watch face has both sporty look while being a bit retro at the same time. And all this relates to the backstory of the watch. The belt is leather with the inside being red. And finally, there's a tag on the belt that says Honda Racing RC-162 1961 250cc. To understand what these numbers mean, let's hear the story. RC-162 is the model of the Honda motorcycle, a racing motorcycle to be precise. And yes, you may have guessed already, the engine capacity was 250cc. The year was 1961, Germany, Hockenheimring. There were two riders racing using RC-162. Number 107 ridden by a British racer, Jim Redman, and number 100 ridden by a Japanese racer, Kunimitsu Takahashi. Special thing about the Hockenheimring was that it was, at the time, a 7.5 kilometer long high-speed racetrack, rather dangerous. The track had been reconfigured a number of times to improve on safety, as it had seen a fair share of very unfortunate accidents, some tragically ending in death. Back in 61, it had very long straight sections where racers would push their machine to its highest possible speed. The two raced each other so hard that they left everyone behind. They were going neck and neck. At the last lap, just after the last corner, as the duo were dashing towards the finish line, Takahashi used Redman's slipstream and overtook him at the last moment, winning the race. They pushed their machine so much that the time they set for the 20 laps they raced, even the 350cc group that raced that same day did not beat that time. How impressive. This was the first Grand Prix victory for Honda, and Takahashi was the first Japanese racer to have won Grand Prix race. Redman in his career was 6 times Grand Prix road racing world champion. Takahashi later switched to car racing and was equally impressive with many victories, including a Le Mans 24-hour race win. He is also known as the father of drifting. Now coming back to Honda and modern days. A little while ago, I was looking at photos of motorcycle modification competition. This particular competition was to modify a Honda CB650R. That is my bike too, so I was just looking for inspiration for, modifications. There were some fantastic entries with great attention to details. And then there was this particular entry as well. I did not know at the time what the references were. Whoever modified this bike truly wanted to pay homage to the RC-162. The 4 exhaust pipes from the 4-cylinder, the metal tank strap, number 100, and even wrote tribute to Kunimitsu Takahashi. And CB650R is the right modern bike to do this with as well. Honda recently started a new lineup and titled it Neo Sports Cafe. It's Honda's nod to the past and a link to the new generations to come. I personally like this slight touch of retro on modern machine look. I believe many others do as well. This lineup is a hit. And on that note, I think the Casio timepiece was partnered with Honda at the right time as well. 2021 was the 60th anniversary of that famous day back in 1961. As a tribute, Casio has taken colors and old metallic looks from the RC-162. It's a solar-powered modern watch with a mix of retro. But more importantly, I think the spirit of racing history is captured in this watch as well. Well, that is all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I sure had fun making it. I'll make some more of motorcycle related videos in the near future. I could use some feedback. Let me know what you think of this video so I may adjust the future videos accordingly. I hope to see you in my next video in this channel or my other channel, Property Technical. Until we meet again, you take care of yourself.